Hey makers, this is Yana with Mockys, and today I'm going to show you how to put together this 3D layered cake topper that is spring inspired and Encanto inspired. So we're going to go ahead and put it all together. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe for more helpful tutorials. What I like to do first is I like to put together the elements that are on the sides first, and then put them all together on top of the main centerpiece or main element of the cake topper. So let's go ahead and do that first. So I'm going to put together the flowers, and then I'm going to go ahead with the butterfly. Just curl the flowers, doesn't matter which way you curl them. I'm going to do that to all of them. Okay, so now we have our flowers and the butterfly a little bit curled up, so we can go ahead and now put them all together to glue them together. I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Okay, now we have all the elements ready to assemble, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the main part of the cake topper together. Now with these pieces on top, I'm gonna go ahead and give it some dimension, so I'm gonna put a little bit of these foam squares right on top. And we're going to repeat the same with this top layer. Now this final piece, I'm going to go ahead and glue it right on top. And now we're almost done. We're gonna have to just put the flowers and the leaves on the top, and we're gonna be done with this cake topper. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the leaves because we want to build from the bottom up. Put the glue on the opposite side. Make sure you give your glue enough time to dry between gluing each flower and each petal so they stay put and not move around. So at this point your cake topper is complete. You can go ahead and maybe add an age right here, or there's room to add a name. You can even put a character over here in the middle. It's up to you. You can take this and add a little bit of touches to your cake topper. Now if you enjoyed this tutorial, please go ahead and subscribe and like this video, and I'm gonna make more of these type of tutorials. Thank you.